Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we have the SONOS Arc. Now, for those of you who don't know, SONOS Arc replaced the SONOS Play Bar, and the Play Bar was a great sound bar, a great solution when you wanted just better audio off the TV or music as well. SONOS has now added the Arc, which brings the soundbar to a whole new level. So we have a lot of these on order right now, guys, for our clients, and they're not coming in very fast. So we happen to get one in. This is for a client, actually. So I wanted to do a small unboxing for you guys to show you kind of what it looks like, what it's all about, how it's different. And this particular one is white. So let's get to it. Got some cool unlocking pieces on the side. All right. Now this one, if you're not familiar with the Play Bar, it is a little bit longer, and it's definitely not squared off like the previous models. Again, this one is white. Pretty cool, nice cloth cover here. And let's see here, get it fully unwrapped. Kind of a neat cloth here. It's kind of, let me see this, guys, but it's totally wrapped up like a sock almost. It's pretty neat the way they did this fabric to totally enclose and protect the SONOS Arc. Pretty neat here. So let's see here. Get this cloth off. That's cool. And get off on this end here. All right. So it's actually got some weight to it. And this is made to sit on a counter, or you can buy some additional brackets. And on the back, I hope you see this, guys, we got a hole here and a hole here, and that attaches to the wall mount bracket, so it's nice and slim. Very thin right here, so you don't want much mount showing. And on the back, you got a place for Ethernet. You got power over here. And then you have an HDMI here, and that's it. That is it. So it looks like underneath you got a little light, pretty cool. It does have some weight, and then on the top it's got some physical buttons for play, pause, forward track, reverse track. Pretty slick. Let's see what else it comes with. Of course, you got the Get Started welcome pack. Nice little power cord that go inside the back side of this. Then you have the HDMI cable. And got a little small box here. It says optical adapter. Use only if needed during the setup. So what this does here is you got your HDMI on this side and optical on this side. So we'll put this back in this box. I don't think we'll need this, but we'll see. We're going to actually hook it up temporarily to this TV over here and put it on top of the mantle. So again, anytime you guys are looking for a sound bar, it's pretty much a wireless sound bar that you can add multiple devices later if you want to, but this particular soundbar has several more speakers inside of it, and they have a technology for audio called Atmos built in. If you're not familiar with Atmos, very, very cool. It takes new height speakers in the ceiling, so obviously everything is contained inside this one soundbar. So you have your speakers facing outward, and then you're gonna have speakers that are be aimed upward to the ceiling. So it's going to give you the effect of having audio through the ceiling bouncing back to your ear. So very cool effect, but we're going to see it and hear it firsthand. Here's a little bit, so we'll get this bad boy hooked up and see how it sounds, and give you my little 2 cents on what I think, and be right back with you. All right, so now we got a little music playing. Soundbar does a great job playing all your favorite music from you know, iTunes, Pandora, all those crazy great music streaming apps that's available on the Sonos app. And one really cool thing that you can do, obviously, with Sonos is when you add multiple pieces, you can have one app to control all those places individually. So super easy to use, guys. But Sonos Arc, you know, we just have it temporarily just hooked up in this room just to show you guys, you know, kind of what it looks like, what it can do. I'm impressed, actually. There's no subwoofer. Now, the cool thing about this is it is wireless, so you can add a wireless sub that Sonos offers. You can also add rears. But I just want to test this out all by itself and see how great does it sound all by itself. No sub, no rears, just simulating surround and Atmos. And so actually I found some demo on the screen here, and I want to show you guys real quick. Let me switch this over from music to TV. All right, let's go here. Let's go TV line in. Okay, so what we're going to listen to is a Dolby Atmos track that I found streaming, and I want you guys. I know, obviously, you're listening through the little stereo speakers on the camera here, but you'll kind of get the idea, and I'll kind of turn it loud so maybe you guys can hear it. So let's play it. This is a pretty cool one right here. Leaves swaying around with the wind. Not bad. Being that just a sound bar, nothing else, does a pretty good job of bouncing reflections off the ceiling to kind of give you the effect of things going around you. That leaf was coming around the edges. Another good one, how it's bouncing things all over the room, off the ceiling, to give you that effect that you have more speakers. We'll just do one more real quick. Not bad at all. Very, very impressive. You know, just for being a sound bar, it's pretty good. So I have to admit, you know, and especially if a room that you can't add physical speakers in, you just want better audio for the TV, but yet you also maybe want to have kind of that surround experience. This is a great solution. The Sonos Arc comes in white and also comes in black. Again, like I have it shown here, you can place it right on a mantle, countertop, or you can wall mount it underneath the TV. Now, because of the speakers on the top, Sonos does recommend that you stay 5 to 6 inches at least away from the TV if you're mounting right underneath the TV. So you have plenty of room for those speakers to aim upward and not bounce right off the bottom of the TV. So pretty slick, guys. Again, another great product from Sonos. They have multiple options to add, you know, rears, use it in play ones and other speakers, or you can use your own speakers with a combination of a Sonos amp. So lots of cool things from Sonos. So anyway, want to do a quick unboxing of this, guys, and show you, you know, like I said, what it looks like, what it's capable of. And in my personal opinion, it's not bad. It's a great solution for someone who wants better sound than the speakers on the TV, and it has the ability to play music as well. So if you haven't subscribed or liked the video, please hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I do a video, and catch us on the next one. See you guys.